Namaste everyone. Here I am going to explain unit first in maths for the students of standard 5th studying in DAV public schools. Here are total 9 digits and they are forming a number. With help of 9 digits, a number is formed. That is here 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. These digits are placed in different periods and different places in Indian place value system first. Here ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. All these are 4 periods. In ordinal numbers, we can read it like this. First period is ones, second period is thousands, third period is lakhs, and the fourth period is crores. There are 3 places in ones period. Ones, tens, hundreds. There are 2 places in thousands period. Those are thousands, 10,000s. There are 2 places in lakhs periods. Those are lakhs, 10 lakhs. There are 2 places in crores periods. Those are crores and 10 crores. In this way, ones period contains 3 places, whereas rest periods contains only 2 places each. Now, try to put different digits in each place of different periods. 0, 0, 0, 0. In this way, I put and 1 at 10 crores place. And this number is 1, 0, 10. And 10 is lying in crores period. So we read it like this, 10 crore. This number is 10 crore, which is the smallest number having 9 digits. Now take another example of a number having 9 digits. See, this number is formed by a digit that is 9. And we read it like this, 99. These digits are lying in crores period. So we read it like this, 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. We read it like this. And this number will be read as 31 crore, 24 lakh, 65,781. We read in this way. Now, numbers using commas. We can put commas to separate periods. Commas are used to separate periods. Here are 3 zeros and they are in ones period. There are 3 places in ones period. So these 3 digits are separated by comma. There are 2 places in thousands period. So 2 zeros are separated by comma. Here are also 2 digits. Here are also 2 digits. This is a number which is 10 crore and commas are used here. Next example is 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,000, 999. The digits are separated by comma and they are showing periods. Next example is 31 crore 24 lakh 65,781. These numbers are having commas. Digits are separated by commas. Now number names. Numbers using commas and number names. 10 crore. We read this number 10 crore like this. So this is called number name of this number 10 crore. This number is read as like this. 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999. This is number name. Next number is, its number name is like this. 31 crore 24 lakh 65,781. This is number name. And this is explanation of Indian place value system. Now come at international place value chart or international place value system. There are 3 places in each period in international place value chart. We are observing here that ones, this is period, ones, thousands, millions, all these are periods. First period in international place value system is ones, second period is thousands, and third period is millions. Ones, tens, hundreds, these are 3 places in ones period. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, these are 3 places in thousands period. 1 million, 10 million, and 100 million, these are 3 places in millions period. We can form numbers like this. Ones place, that is 2, tens place 0, hundreds place 1. In this way I can put digits and these numbers will be read like this. 458. These digits are in millions period. So we read it like this. 458 million 693,102. This is number names in international place value chart, international place value system. This will be read like this. 999 million 999,999. We read it like this. 100 million. 100 million. And this same number is 10 crore in Indian place value system. It means 100 million is equal to 10 crore. Now we can separate digits by using commas. There are 3 places in each period, so 3 digits will be separated by comma. This comma, this is ones period, this is thousands period, and this is millions period. Its number name, we read it like this. Number is given using commas and we read it like this. That is called its number name. 458 million 693,102. 102. We read it like this, and this is called number name of this given number. Now find the period, place and place value of the encircled digit. Here 8 is encircled. This is ones period, this is thousands period, and this is lakhs period. Commas show here that this number is in Indian place value system, because here are 3 digits in ones period and here are only 2 digits in thousands period or second period. First period, second period, 2 places. So it is in Indian place value system. 8 is ones and thousands period. Its place is 1000 and 10,000. 8 is at 10,000 place, and its place value will be 8 into multiplied by after 8 here are 4 digits, so we put here 4 zeros, and then it will give us 80,000. 8 into ones period, thousands and 10,000s. It means 8 is its face value, which will be multiplied by its place, that is tens place, thousands and 10,000s. So this 8 will be multiplied by 10,000. Then we have 8 into 10,000, that is 80,000. In this way we get its place value, that is 80,000, and face value remains unchanged. Face value of this 8 is 8 only. Similarly, here 6 is encircled, and this is at ones, thousands and lakhs. It is at lakhs period. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. 6 is at 10 lakhs place, and its value will be 6 into 10 lakhs. 6 into 10 lakhs, that is 60 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. 60 lakhs. Similarly, here are 3 places in each period. So this number is in international place value system. Ones and thousands. Thousands period, 8 is in thousands period. Thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. 8 is at 100,000s place. So 8 will be multiplied by 100,000. That is 800,000. This is in international place value system. Again here, first period, second period, third period, and third period is million. So this is millions period, millions and 10 millions. This 9 is at 10 millions period, and 9 is face value, which will be multiplied by 10 millions. That is 9 into 10, that is 90 million. In this way we have 90 million. Now come at successor of a number. Successor of a number is the number which is obtained by adding 1 in it. When we add 1 in a given number, we get its successor. Successor of 12 is 12 plus 1, that is 13. Successor is 1 more than the given number. Successor of 20,000 is 20,000 plus 1, that is 20,001. Similarly, predecessor of a number. Predecessor of a number is the number which is obtained by subtracting 1 in it. When we subtract 1 from a given number, we get its predecessor. Predecessor of 20 is 20 minus 1, that is 19. Predecessor of 200 is 200 minus 1, that is 199. Now, arrange in ascending order. Ascending order. To arrange given numbers in ascending order, we have to select the smallest one first, and then we will go ahead. We can arrange like this, ascending order. This is showing us ascending order. Smallest one is 106, which is selected here, which is in bottom. After that 107 comes here. After that 215, and 401 is the greatest among the given numbers. 401 is the greatest among the given numbers. It is at top part. So this is in ascending order. To ascend, to go upward is called ascending order, and to go downward is called descending order. Therefore, ascending order will be 106, 107, 215, 401. These numbers are arranged in ascending order. These numbers are arranged in an ascending order. To ascend, to go up. Now, arrange in descending order. Descending order. These are given numbers. To arrange in descending order, we have to select the greatest numbers among the given numbers first. This one is the greatest number, 41,002. So we will write it first. After that 10,151. After that 561, and finally we have 218. This is in bottom. Smallest will be written at last, and greatest will be written at first, and this order is called descending order, going downwards. Therefore, descending order will be 41,002, 10,151, 561, 218. In this way, ascending order and descending order are discussed. Face value is also revised. Place value, Indian place value chart, as well as international place value chart. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.